What is going on, guys? Crazy day for crypto. Yesterday was just madness too. This ETF hype is making the market extremely volatile. So today I just want to talk about Bitcoin, the Bitcoin dominance, Cardano versus BTC pair, Cardano itself, bullish divergences, bearish divergences, and what I see in the charts, where I think it's going. So let's jump straight into the charts. So first of all, Bitcoin. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see I've drawn out here a clear and obvious bearish divergence in the chart. We are also in our overbought area on the 4-hour, and this is just something to be cautious of, right? Now, in these parabolic states, sometimes the bearish divergences, they don't mean jack, but it is one to certainly keep an eye on. Okay, now onto the Bitcoin dominance chart. I know I talk about this a lot in my videos, but I think this is very important right now. And on the weekly time frame, you see I've drawn this 7-year resistance line. Now we're getting very close to touching it again. So I do not think the Bitcoin dominance will break above my resistance line here, which means the maximum the dominance can reach is 55.5%. It's currently at 54.36%. So we're getting very near this dominance area. And also, on the weekly chart, I've got a massive bearish divergence, which is also an indicator that the Bitcoin dominance may be coming to an end. And then we finally see that major alt season that so many of us are waiting for. Now going on to the Cardano versus BTC pair. You see in this last week, Bitcoin has just been absolutely crushing it. And I've drawn this downward channel where you can see we have just broken out of it. So Cardano has outperformed Bitcoin in the last 24 hours, which is great to see, whilst also breaking out of a downward channel against it. And there is also a bullish divergence on the 4-hour RSI. See here, it's upwards there on the RSI and down here on the chart, which is a great sign for Cardano against Bitcoin. Now going on to the Cardano chart, you see we had a previous resistance here back in April 2023 at 46.5 cents. Now, we recently came down to test this previous resistance at 46.5 cents, and we had a massive bounce. So we're already up to 54 cents. So we've gone up almost 8 cents already in just about 12 hours, that is. So it's great to see that a previous resistance has now turned into a really strong support. And not only that, on the RSI, there is a clear and obvious bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. I've drawn it out here, and a lot of people are going to see that and want to ape into Cardano. So overall, quick recap. Bitcoin, bearish divergence. Bitcoin dominance, bearish divergence, coming into resistance. On Cardano versus BTC, bullish divergence, breaking out of a channel. Things are looking great for Cardano. And on Cardano chart itself, bullish divergence, bounced off a new support area, and it's looking super strong. So I'm very bullish on Cardano right now. I'm a bit cautious of what Bitcoin wants to do because of this ETF hype. Will it be a sell the news event? I don't really know. I think it might be a very bullish event overall because it's bringing in the big money into the game, right? But one thing's for sure, it's going to be volatile these next few days. And I do expect the ETF to get approved on Wednesday. So we're like less than 48 hours away now from that approval. Take none of this as financial advice, but full transparency, I have put my money in Cardano, like all in. When Cardano was at 49 cents last night, I went all in on a 1.5x leverage trade, extremely low risk, so I don't get liquidated. I think my liquidation price is like 16.5 cents, and I really just don't see Cardano going that low again. So, you know, I wasn't like extremely positive that, oh, it's up from here. I wasn't sure. I just thought it was a good entry. So far it's looking good. I'm a few $1,000s in the profit, I think, so far. And I'm not going to take my profits anytime soon. You know, this trade I want to keep open for a few weeks or even a few months. I'm going to ride through the storms that come. But yeah, if I can hold on to like a $1 Cardano or something like that, then I'll be laughing. Um, I do generally think that by the time the Bitcoin halving happens in April 2024, so just 3 months away, I think Cardano might be at $1 by then, to be honest. Um, a lot will depend on, the economy and Bitcoin, but I do think we are entering an alt season. I think it's timing just perfectly with the Bitcoin halving. I think 2024 is going to be a phenomenal year for crypto, and it's going to lead straight into 2025, probably up until about August or September, and that will be the peak. And by then, I generally think Cardano $12 is a realistic prediction. A lot of people will think that's ridiculous, but these bull markets, the price of coins go a lot higher than what people expect. We see it time and time again, and I think this will be a fantastic year for Cardano. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'm very bullish, and a lot of indicators look very good for it right now. So I'm very excited to see what happens. Hope you guys are all doing good. Hope you're all staying healthy. Strong mindset. Remember, scared money don't make no money. Alright, Squirrel OG out. Peace.